Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 KTM 890 Duke. This amazing twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 6,000 miles. Beautiful KTM orange and black. This naked twin is badass. It's got an awesome sounding wings exhaust, rear seat cowl, ABS brakes, bar end mirrors, adjustable anodized levers, fender eliminator. Come on by and make your 890 Duke dreams come true with this gorgeous KTM. Only $94.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.